Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to log in Qatar Airways Privilege Club. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar, type in Qatar Airways, hit enter. Now select the first link that says www.qatarairways.com. Click on this official website's link and you will be navigated to this page. On this page, you'll have to click on the Privilege Club menu option at the top. Select Privilege Club and you will see a list of drop-down menu. Under these menus, you'll have to click on the Login button just right here. When you click on Login, you will be promoted to this page. On this page, just enter your email address or membership number in this area. Now enter your password in this section and select I am not a robot. So enter your email, password. Now click on this I am not a robot box. Now do the CAPTCHA. Click on verify and select login. You can also log in using Facebook or Google and click on the login button. When you click on verify, you will be successfully logged into your Qatar Privilege Club account. Now you can navigate on this page, enjoy the benefits that you get with Qatar Privilege Air Club account. So that's the simple way you can log into Qatar Airways Privilege Club. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.